Every Stone Age hand axe type developed during the Lower and Middle Paleolithic. Simplest. A Belviolin hand axe. A large early bifacial stone cutting weapon. It was crudely shaped with heavy flake removals. It served as a general-purpose chopping and striking tool. Its symmetry and edge control were extremely limited. Early Acheulean biface. A standardized bifacial stone weapon. It featured more deliberate shaping and thinning. It was used for cutting, butchering, and impact strikes. Edge refinement remained inconsistent. Widely used. Ovate hand axe, a rounded bifacial cutting weapon. Its broad edge allowed stable slicing motions. It was used for cutting meat and processing materials. Its blunt tip limited piercing effectiveness. Lanceolate hand axe, a long, pointed, bifacial weapon. It emphasized a narrow tip and straight edges. It functioned well for thrusting and precise cuts. Its thin profile increased breakage risk. Cordiform hand axe, a heart-shaped bifacial cutting weapon. It combined a pointed tip with wide cutting edges. It balanced chopping and piercing roles. Its shape required higher manufacturing skill. Late era. Thicron's hand axe, a narrow, elongated bifacial weapon. It featured a sharply pointed distal end. It was optimized for penetration and fine cutting. Its thin structure reduced durability. Mikokian hand axe, a thick-backed asymmetrical hand axe. It emphasized a reinforced gripping edge. It was used for heavy-duty cutting and impact tasks. Its asymmetry reduced cutting versatility. Refined late Acheulean hand axe, a highly symmetrical bifacial weapon. It showed advanced thinning and edge control. It served as a multi-role cutting and striking tool. Its production required significant skill investment. Specialized variants. Cleaver-type biface, a hand axe with a straight transverse cutting edge. It lacked a pointed tip entirely. It was used for heavy chopping and carcass processing. It was ineffective for piercing tasks. Pick-type hand axe, a narrow pointed stone impact weapon. It concentrated force into a reinforced tip. It was used for digging and heavy striking. Cutting edges were minimal or absent. Experimental. Proto-hand axe forms, early bifacial stone weapon precursors. They showed partial shaping and limited symmetry. They represent experimentation with bifacial technology. They lacked consistent standardized form. For more weapons catalog documentaries, consider subscribing.